Hi there, welcome to our very first lecture proper in software engineering. This video is about introduction to our subject matter, software engineering. Nowadays, software engineering is one of the most demanding opportunities in IT industry, and its demand keeps on increasing. However, it is also one of the most technical and precise career in the industry. Companies and organizations are looking for aspiring software engineers that have what it takes. In this course, as an experienced IT professional, I will be sharing with you the skills that you need to know about software engineering that you can use in your upcoming career as an IT professional. After watching this video, you will learn some of the important terms used in the career of software engineering and understand the scope and limitations of the field of software engineering. If you want to know more about the presentation, please see the link in the description below. Let's begin from basics of software engineering by defining what is a software. A software is also known as computer software, essentially a type of programs which enables the users to perform some particular specific task or to operate their computer. A software plays a key role as a mediator between the user and the computer hardware. Ibig sabihin, ang scope ng software is in between the software and the hardware. Consider doon ang application software and the operating system. But the user is not necessarily a human user. Pwede rin ang user is another application that is maybe located in a remote location. I want to clarify the difference between the term program and software. Ang program is a set of instructions na ginagawa ng computer. Then ang software is ang produkto ng program. Ikumpara natin siya sa paggawa ng pagkain. Ang program is ang steps na nakasaad dun sa recipe. Tapos, ang recipe mismo is ang software. At nasubukan mismo ng author na yung recipe niya ay gumagana according sa expectations. Pareho din sa software. Ang magandang software ay gumagana according sa expectations na nakasaad dun sa requirements. Ang tawag sa taong gumagawa ng program ay programmer. Pero ang taong gumagawa ng software ay hindi necessarily programmer lang. Ang tawag sa kanila ay software developer. Doon papasok ang next term na pag-aralan natin, which is ang software development. What is software development? Software development is also known as application development or software process. According to IBM research, it refers to a set of activities dedicated to the process of creating, designing, deploying, and supporting a software. It may include new development, modification to the software, reusing, re-engineering, and maintenance, or any other activities that results in a software product. Ibig sabihin, ang software development ay ang mga technical activities na ginagawa para makagawa ng software. Example is ang pag-design sa architecture ng software, ang coding sa program, ang pag-test sa software, at iba pang technical activities para magawa successfully ang software. Pero maliban doon, mayroon pang ibang activities na kailangan gawin para makaproceed ang software development. Katulad na lang ng requirements at quality assurance. Doon papasok ang next term na pag-usapan natin. Ang subject matter ng course na ito, ang software engineering. What is software engineering? According to our book reference, Software Engineering by Somerville 10th edition, software engineering is an engineering discipline that is concerned with all aspects of software production, from initial conception yung paggawa sa software requirements and architectural design, to operation, yung software development and testing, and maintenance, yung pag-deploy and support sa production. Before concluding, it is important to clarify the difference between the field of computer science and software engineering. By definition by field, software engineering is a field largely concerned with application of engineering discipline to the creation, maintenance, and design of software for a variety of purposes. On the other hand, computer science takes a broad approach to the study of the principles and use of computers that covers both theory and application. This field involves the understanding and application of both abstract and concrete knowledge. To emphasize, ang computer science is focused sa study of principles and use of computers. Ang isa sa mga produkto ng computer science is ang software engineering, ang engineering practices that is applied in software development. I hope that gives you an overview about the important terms used in software engineering. In the next video, you will learn about the traditional software development life cycle, which is the waterfall model. If you have questions or clarifications, please let us know in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos.